Nettie Stevens was an American geneticist who discovered sex chromosomes. Stevens was one of the first American women of biological science who made remarkable discovery of sex chromosomes. Nettie Maria Stevens was born on July 7, 1861 in Cavendish, Vermont, USA. She graduated at a young age of 19. Stevens used mealworms to study inheritance. Stevens found that female mealworms had 20 chromosomes and males also had 20 chromosomes like the female, but the 20th chromosome was noticeably smaller than the other 19. Now, we all will think what mealworms have to do with humans, but when it comes to chromosomes, we have a lot in common. By experimenting on germ cells, Stevens interpreted her data to conclude that chromosomes have a role in sex determination during development. She found that a particular combination of the chromosomes known as X and Y was responsible for the determination of sex of an individual. She identified the small chromosome currently known as the Y chromosome in the mealworm Tenebrio, also known as yellow mealworm. She deduced that the chromosomal basis of sex depended on the smaller Y chromosome carried by the male, concluding offspring gender is inherited by males. Although Stevens and Wilson both worked on chromosomal sex determination, many authors have credited Wilson alone for the discovery. She didn't get recognition, although her ideas were more accurate than Wilson's. Nettie Stevens was widely unrecognized during the time of her work, maybe because she was a woman. Stevens only won $1,000 for the best scientific paper written by a woman and received nothing else for her work. As a result of her research, Stevens provided critical evidence for Mendelian and chromosomal theories of inheritance. Nettie Stevens laid the foundation for future generations to better understand genetics, inherited traits, and health. At the age of 50 and only 9 years after completing her PhD, Stevens died of breast cancer on May 4, 1912. That is why Nettie Stevens is our unsung hero.